होगी 360 370 रुपए की। फिर वो कहती घर छोड़ाओ। महा यार 370 रुपए लगे हैं, मगर वसूल तो करूंगा।
So in a YouTube viral clip, we all might have witnessed a young man, casual and unbothered, saying that how a date of 370 rupees gave him a bodily autonomy of a woman's dignity and her morality. In this distorted logic, how a simple dinner becomes a commercial transaction where a woman's dignity and consent is actually found at the door. The most unsettling element about this entire episode was not just the guy, it was the entire echo chamber. The moment this so-called joke cracked, the entire room filled with rapturous laughter and echoed with claps and laughing. This viral YouTube clip exposes deeply entrenched, regressive worldview where women are not viewed as autonomous individuals possessing agency, but as a commodity to be purchased. Least of all, 370 rupees. When an audience starts giggling about the casual monetization of a woman's dignity, we fail as a society. 370 रुपए की बिरयानी. This is the current scenario of a woman living in a male-dominated society where her worth and consent is equally represented by a meal or a plate of a biryani. In a society in the year 2026, we are still struggling for basic human rights, be it rights for the trans people. And while we are sitting in the Pride Month, where most of the women are struggling with menstrual hygiene and where the basic necessities, where even the sanitary napkins worth 300 and more than 300 are spent from the pocket of so many young women and children, that video does not expose only the men who are saying all that absurdity in front of tons of people, but also it showcases everyone who was laughing around at the joke. Most importantly, the comedian who was sitting right in front of him and asking him absurd questions about somebody's dignity, and also the people around him who were laughing about it, and the absolute audacity of editor to put it out there on the internet to sexualize a woman and make it as a content for the views. When an audience giggles at the casual monetization of a woman's dignity, they cease to be a mere spectator, they become enablers. They provide the social validation that allows misogyny to masquerade itself as crowd work. To those people who might have been coming here in my comment section and saying things like, this was just a joke, should understand this. Humor is actually meant to punch up authority, not punch down at a woman's right to exist without being commodified. 370 rupees. A woman's dignity, her consent, and her safety are absolute. They cannot be bartered, they cannot be negotiated, and they most certainly do not come with a price tag.